In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently guide yourself through Google Calendar import and export settings. Whether you're organizing a busy schedule or managing multiple calendars, understanding these steps can greatly enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to begin with accessing Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, simply type in Google Calendar and hit enter. The first result should directly take you to Google Calendar's main page. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to gain access to all the features that Google Calendar offers. For those of you who aren't signed in yet, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner. Clicking this will prompt you to either choose your existing Google account or enter your login details, such as your email address and password. Don't worry if you have multiple accounts. Just use the one linked to the calendar you want to work on. After entering the details, click on Next, or simply hit Enter to proceed. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll see your calendar interface. Look towards the top right corner, and you'll notice the gear icon which represents settings. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu where you'll select Settings. Here's where you can access all the customization options for your calendar, and today we'll particularly focus on the import and export option. To proceed, locate and click on Import and Export from the left-hand navigation panel within the settings. This is the section where you can manage importing new events or exporting existing ones. If you're setting up a new calendar with previously saved events, click on Select File from your computer. This option allows you to upload a compatible file containing your events directly from your computer. Once you've selected the right file, you'll need to ensure it's either in .csv or .yal format, which are compatible with Google Calendar. After selecting your file, the final step is to click on the Import button to start the process. Google Calendar will quickly import the events from your file into your selected calendar. You'll see a notification confirming the successful import of events. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to importing events into your Google Calendar. Taking advantage of these functions within Google Calendar can really streamline how you manage and view your schedule across different devices and platforms. If this was helpful, make sure to check out other guides for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.